Zima Domuyan, Ayamuyan, Eva Domuyan, Adi Domuyan, Adi Domuyan, Domuyan, Abazaya Domuyan, Domuyan, Eva Domuyan, Aido, Zima Turatenga, Baba Turatenga, Aki Turatenga, Abazaya, welcome to Kisii. Aquito la tenga, ni te digo, ni tú me que dices, ¡ay no! ¡Ay no me voy, baba, no me voy, ¡ah, te voy a ver! ¡Oh, tira más allá, ¡como tú vas a ir, ¡ah, muy que muy ¡ah, caro cusato, ¡ah, muy te va a His Excellency the Governor of the Province, thank you for your work. I have to fuck up with you. And I think you did. That's what you're going to pull out. You don't want to get it. I give a long go around. You don't want to get it. I don't think anybody. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it.
Excellency the U.S. Ambassador Sasa, Speaker, the Clerk of County Assembly, followed by the Deputy Chair Public Service Board, County Secretary, Waziri Administration, Waziri for Agriculture, Waziri Sports and Education, Waziri Trade, Waziri Roads and Public Works, Waziri Lands